Hey, Sultan. Thanks for clicking on my first YouTube video. I'm super excited to start this channel. It's something I've been wanting to do for like ever, so let's see how far we can take it. I'm gonna be posting every Friday, so make sure you subscribe if you want to make fun of me to your friends. Let's get started. My Instagram's been looking pretty dry, so I decided that today we would do a photo shoot. So I went to Dollar Tree and I bought a bunch of poster boards that I'm gonna tape together and hang on my photo backdrop that I got from bidfta.com for $5 or less. I'll have to look. After I hang those up, I'm going to go to my closet and pick out 3 different outfits. I don't know what I'm gonna pick out, I haven't even looked or tried. I'm not gonna buy anything though, so we'll see what I can do. Okay y'all, here's what I got so far. I got 2 rolls of tape, and then I've got like 6 of these big red poster boards. Now I'm kind of scared because I think an issue I'm gonna have is I'm gonna have to probably like Photoshop out the lines where they connect, but we'll get to that. We will get to that, don't worry. All right, here's them all laid out. So I guess I'm just gonna tape them together. I'll probably start with these 2. Can y'all see that? All right, y'all can see that. Side, y'all. Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to tape both sides front and back, so let's keep going. Okay, so I just taped it all together. I'm going to set up my backdrop stand, and we will see if this is gonna work at all. This might be the end of the video. This is the stand I got for however much money. I still haven't looked. Right here. Here's how much it was. Okay, now that we're moving up, I moved y'all up, so let's try this. Yeah. Oh, I'm an idiot. Here's the situation. So, I'm switching to my phone because I can get a wider angle. That's the main reason. Number 2, because I'm about to start taking pictures. But now you can finally see me hang this up. So, let's see what happens. So I got these clips at Walmart because the thing did not come with clips. Probably why it was $5. Now here's the thing. These don't have enough length right here to go over and clamp the paper with these. So I have to do it on the sides, but I don't think this is wide enough to be clamped on the sides. So we're about to see if that's the case. Oh. If I'm clamping it like this, why do I even need the top? Wow. After a lot of struggle, it looks terrible. Okay, so this is what we're rocking with, right? So now I'm gonna pick out the outfits and I will be right back. Okay, so the first outfit failed. I don't like it at all. So I'm gonna take pictures of this book for like detail images so I can upload more than one, like for one post, and then like you can swipe over and see this. Okay. Kind of figured it out. I flipped it from being this way to this way, so they're like it drapes down onto the floor. So we'll see if that looks any better. It already does look better, actually. It's just more, it's easier to like pose, photograph from this angle, and it looks somewhat natural. So let's try this again. Okay, y'all. Sorry that it wasn't as creative as I wanted it to be, but sometimes forcing yourself to be creative gets something done where I wouldn't have done anything at all. So, like I said, I'm going to be posting every single Friday, so if you enjoyed this video, or if you didn't, I don't care. Go ahead and subscribe anyway, because I'm sure you'll like something I post in the future. In the comments, tell me your favorite color and why. Alright guys, have a good day.